Hello, my name is Crystal. I'm an expert as a service consultant, and in this video, I will talk about how to transport object level security for teams. This is part of the QRC1 update of SAC for 2024. Now users can choose to transport the sharing settings of the team from the source system to the target system. Let's say that you created a story and that you shared that story with multiple teams. If you want to export that story from one system to another system, now when you export that story, you will see the option of sharing the team settings. Also, when you import a package, in the import options, you will see this checkbox where you can choose if you want to import the team settings. Let me go to the system to show you how you can enable this option. Right now, I'm in the home page. Let me go to transport and then export. Under the content network storage, I will click new export. I will search here by a model, and also I share this model with multiple teams. Let me click next. Here in the package properties, you have to enter all the details. Also, you can choose the destination of the package. And here you can see that the shared team settings option is available. I will click here if I want to enable this option. Then when you finish, you can just click next to continue the export process. And now let me go to the import functionality. Here I have all these packages under content network storage. So I will click this package, and under the import options, you will see this checkbox. So you just have to select this if you want also to import the team settings. Now let's review what we discussed. So in this video, we learned that now users can choose to transfer the team security settings from the source system to the target system. Thank you for watching this video.